Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to see some party wear collections. Now we'll start with Kanjivaram Banaras Pattu sarees. So these are the colors. In this we have four colors. Really four are very beautiful and very famous color combinations. This is the first one. This is in the parrot green with the nice pattu pink color combination. So this is the blouse. Oh, sorry. This is the pallu you will be getting. Full it is given with antique gold zari weaving all over. On one side you will be getting a very big border with this design. Design might change in the border. One peacock, another one with some mango design you will be getting. Yeah, this is the first one. Nice parrot green with the pattu pink color combination with full gold zari weaving. This is the pattern. This is the design on the body part of the sari, and this is the border on both the sides. On single pleat it looks very good. For the lehengas also it looks very good. So this is the sari. This is sari number 1. The price of this Kanjivaram Banaras sari is 3250. Okay, this is how it looks. One big border, very big border on one side, and little small border on the other side of the sari. You'll be getting a contrast pink color blouse. These are warm pattu sarees, so these are very soft and very easy to carry also. These are not at all heavy. Okay, this is how it looks. You'll be getting a pink color blouse for this. These are really very rich, and these are semi Kanjivaram sarees. Also, ఇక పెట్టు pink blouse. కొంచెం షోల్డర్ పెట్టు. Yeah, this is the pink blouse you will be getting. Pink tissue with nice big border that you'll get it for the elbow sleeves. This is how it is. So this is sari number 1, parrot green with the nice rani pink color combination. So this is the pallu. Enti. So this is the sari and this is the pallu. This is sari number 1. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. Blouse with a very big border. This full big border you can get it stitched for the elbows. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 3250. This is sari number 1. In this we have 4 colors. Okay, we'll see the colors. Next is very beautiful and very pretty and a famous color combination, yellow with pink. Such a beautiful sari. So this is also Kanjivaram soft silk sari. This is a very soft. This is not it doesn't hurt also. On the back side also the zari and all doesn't come out and it doesn't hurt. So this is in the yellow and the pink color combination. Very pretty and a beautiful sari. Yellow and pink, my favorite. So this is warm pattu. So the pattu is also very soft and easy to carry. These are lightweight warm pattu saris. So this is in the yellow and the pink color combination. Yellow and the pink color combination. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu. This is the pallu and the blouse bit. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Pink tissue with golden zari, big border to the elbows you will be getting. So this is the big border that you will be getting on single layer also. It looks very good and very rich. So this is how it looks. Okay. So this is how it looks. Very nice and very lightweight to carry also. This is the pallu. Pallu is in the contrast pink color and the blouse is also in the pink color. This is yellow and pink color combination. Price is 3250. Next is in the blackish gray with the pink color combination. So this is also very beautiful and a bright rich color combination. Kanjivaram Banaras Pattu sari. This is also, this comes with the magenta or the dark pink border. So this is the border on one side, this is the border on the other side. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice Kanjivaram Banaras Pattu saris. These are all semi Kanjivaram saris. You get it at a very reasonable price. You can see at other places also. The price not less than 4000 you will get. So yeah, this we are giving it a reasonable price as well. So these are all, this is also very soft and beautiful saree. The same kind of shine, the same kind of smoothness or the silky texture you'll be getting for all the sarees, like same how you see in the video. So this is how it is. So some people like, you know, very big border sarees, for them you can pick this saree. So this is how it looks. Blackish gray with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it is. So pallu you'll be getting it in the contrast pink color. So the blouse is also again in the pink color. So this is how it is. Saree with the pallu. This is how it looks. The look of the saree. This is the blouse you will be getting. Nice contrast and a shiny pink color blouse. Okay. This is blackish gray with the pink color combination. Okay. The price is 3250. This is the This is the texture of the saree if you wanna have a closer look. Okay. This is absolutely pure nice gold zari weaving. This is not you know, imitation sarees or something. So however you are seeing in the video, the same kind of shine and the richness you will be getting. So this is the other one in the blue and the pink color combination. So it is a kind of little light color purple with this anand blue color combination. Okay, this is how it is. The price of this is also 3250. The same pink color blouse you will be getting. So this is the pink color blouse. Sorry, this is the pallu you will be getting. This is the pallu and this is the border for that. And this is the blouse. Blouse for this you have they have given a nice zari brocade blouse in the pink color. Okay. So yeah, this is how it looks. Nice party wear and wedding wear sarees these are. So people who really don't want to put so much amount of money, like 10,000 and 15,000 for the sarees, you can happily buy the sarees. These are really lightweight and the quality is also very smooth and fine. This is the brocade blouse you have got for this brocade blouse with this border. Okay, idi kada you will be getting a big border. Sorry, parలేదు పర్లేదు. So nice brocade big border you will be getting, and this is the body for the blouse. Okay, very rich and nice wedding wear sarees. Blue with the light purple color combination. The price is 3250. In this 4 colors we have seen. So 3250 sarees ఇంత లేదు కదా. Next Dupian sarees. So this video we are seeing a mixed fusion of different kind of sarees. All are party wear and wedding wear or party wear sarees. All the price range is above 2000 only, and also the best prices for this sarees anywhere. Next we'll see the Dupian sarees, which we have the colors in stock. This is in the lemon yellow and the green color combination. So the Dupian sarees also from us, people have got lots and lots of sarees with a very good positive reviews. So this is one of those color, lemon yellow with the green color combination. So this is the design you will be getting, lotus flower with the chakra design. So this is how it is, lemon yellow. No, this is not lemon yellow. Is it yellow? Mustard yellow, pasupu yellow, haldi yellow with the green color combination. So these are semi party wear sarees. Before, what I have seen is a completely a wedding wear or you know, high party wear sarees. These are casual or you know, semi party wear sarees. So this is the one, haldi yellow with the green color combination, parrot green. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting it in the full zari brocade pallu, and the blouse you will be getting it in the plain blouse. Okay, so this is the plain blouse you will be getting. Nice contrast color, green color plain blouse you will be getting for this saree. Okay, the price of this Dupian sarees now, which are all I'm showing, are in the range of 2350. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice haldi yellow with the green color combination, semi party wear sarees. Okay, next color. Next color is in the royal blue with the green color combination. This is royal blue with the radium green color combination. This is the design you will be having on the body of the saree with the crisscross and with the flowers and the big flowers on the border of the saree. So these Dupian sarees are very high, good in quality, and we have got lots and lots of plenty of good reviews, and we are still selling a good number of sarees. Okay, this is how it is. Royal blue with the parrot green color combination. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting it in the zari weaving and the flowers. Blouse is again in the plain radium green is the blouse. Okay, this is the blouse pattern you will be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2350. Royal blue with the royal blue with the parrot green color combination. Okay, we'll see the next saree. Okay, next is in pistachio green with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Pistachio pink. This is one of the best seller in our collections. A black kuda okati teeskura. This is pistachio green with the pink color combination. So this is one of the best selling along with the pistachio with the black color border. So this is how it looks. We have made a very beautiful gowns also out of this. You can check the collection in the page, or you can message me so that I'll okay, pistachio green with the pink color combination. You will be getting the crisscross stems design with the flowers. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful color, the pistachio green. Okay, this is how it looks. Semi party wear or the party wear sarees you can wear. This is the pallu with the full brocade zari weaving. Adi next two sarees I have to. Okay, this is the blouse. Blouse you will be getting in nice contrast Rani pink color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. This is pistachio green with the pink color combination. Price is 2350. Next is in the yellow with red color combination. Yellow with red color is one of the traditional combinations. You will get it with the big flower design. This is the flower design you will be getting with full zari weaving. I'll show you the back side of the saree also. It is nicely finished. This is the back side of this saree. Zari also will not be coming out. So this is how it is. Small border on one side and the big border on the other side of the saree. You can wear it as sarees also. Most of the people, most of my clients have got like saree for them, for their moms, and gown for themselves. So you can mix and match with your mom like in that combo also. So this is in the nice bright yellow with the red color combination. So this is how it is. You will be getting same brocade kind of zari weaving pallu, and so the plain red color you will be getting for the blouse. This is the plain red color you will be getting for the blouse. Yellow with the red color combination saree, a very beautiful and a traditional color combination. Okay, this is how it is. The price of this is also 2350. Next is in the people's favorite red and black and red color combination. So this is one of the bright combinations in this catalog. So with this also we have made a very beautiful gown that is one of the best selling gowns from our collection as well. Okay, this is in the black and red color combination. This is the black big flowers, same as that of the red and yellow. The price of this is also 2350. Okay, nice bright black with the red color combination with the contrast borders on both the sides. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Okay, blouse also you will be getting in the contrast red color combination. This is the blouse. This is black with red color combination saree. The price of this is also 2350, black with red. Next is a very beautiful and a bright color combination, lemon yellow with the royal blue. This is lemon yellow with royal blue color combination. It's very nice, bright and a shiny color. So this is the design you will be getting for the border, and this is the body design. crisscross in the flower buttas. This is also a best-selling saree, lemon yellow with the violet blue or the royal blue color combination. Very beautiful and contrast color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Very beautiful it is. It's a very bright one. Most of the people, I mean, like moms also liking the dark colors because they look bright. So this is in the lemon yellow and the royal blue or the violet blue combination. This is the pallu. Pallu is in the, again it is in the brocade weaving. The last time. So blouse you will be getting it in the royal blue color combination, same exactly as that of this. All these sarees for the machine instruction, wash instructions. These are not machine wash sarees. You need to wash it separately with the hand, or you should give for dry cleaning. Please kindly don't do machine wash for the sarees. All these are party wear or semi party wear sarees. Okay, this is lemon yellow with the royal blue color combination. The price is 2350. So the next, so last one in the Dupian sarees, last but not the least, the best and the best seller with lots and lots of tons of flooded great reviews from my customers. Pistachio green with the black color combination. It is a super hit as a gown and also as a saree. Also there are lots and plenty of good reviews for this sarees. We have sold almost more than 100 sarees only in this color combination. So this particular saree, only one saree is left in stock. Whoever wants to book, they can pre-book the sarees. We'll be getting it, you'll be getting it delivered after a week once you pre-book the sarees. So this is in the pistachio green with the black color combination. So this is the design for the border and this is the body. You'll be getting it with the zari weaving. On the other side of the saree, you'll be getting the black zari lines. Next up. Avi. That's it. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Pistachio green with the black color combination. Okay. So you'll be getting a nice black color blouse and the black color pallu as well. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2350. This is the pallu. Okay, this is the black color blouse with small zari weaving. At the border you will be getting. So this is how it is. The price of this is also 2350. Okay. Okay, next we have 4 colors in Banaras silk. These are already a hit collection from the past, I think Dasra and Diwali collection sarees, and we have only single or double pieces in each color. These are Banaras soft silk sarees. The texture is also very good. For this also we have very good reviews for some of the colors. So this is in the grey and the black color combination. Yeah, this is in the grey and the black color combination with, instead of gold zari, they have given antique zari, so that has a very fancy look for the sarees. So these are very soft sarees. So this is the texture of the sarees with small flower buttas on both the sides. You'll be getting small border. Okay, this is in the grey and the black color combination. Very pretty and a very beautiful color combination this is. So this is how it looks. This is also a semi party wear saree, or you can wear it as a party wear saree with good jewelry on. So this is the blouse. Blouse you will be getting in the plain soft silk saree with the gold zari weaving, antique zari weaving. So this is the antique zari weaving you will be getting. These are extremely soft and you know it has a shiny texture also, as you can see here. This has a shiny texture. So yeah, this is how it looks. Absolutely very beautiful and also very good and easy to carry. So this is the pallu I have already shown. So the price of this is 2550. Grey with the black color combination, Banaras soft silk sarees. So this is the pallu you will be getting, like this pallu. The price is 2550. In the same we have 2 more colors. So this is the red with the blue is it? Dark navy blue color combination. Same saree, same soft silk texture saree. Red with the navy blue color combination we have. The price of this is also 2550. Nice bright you know, Banarasi red. Banaras sarees are famous for the red color blouse. కొంచెం పైకి పెట్టు ఈ బార్డర్ కన్నా. So Banarasi saree means red only. So this is one of that traditional red color for that Banarasi saree. So this is a navy blue color combination. Blouse you will be getting with this antique zari. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful semi party wear sarees or party wear also you can wear. So it's very nice. It stays very good on the skin. It's not heavy. It's lightweight and it's easy to carry as well. So this is the antique zari. Pallu you will be getting. Yeah, this is how you can wear it on single pallu, single layer, or you can wear it for the steps also. This is very comfortable and soft silk saree. The price of red with navy blue, this is also for 2550. Next, inko color unnadi entana. So the next one is black with sea green. So this is not dark black, this is a kind of light color black with the sea green color combination. Okay, yes, this is also the same soft silk texture saree. Better blouse you will be getting it with nice contrast sea green color. Okay, this is how it is. Little color variation is there, but this is a sea green saree. You can ask me for a picture if you want, I can send you. So this is the blouse you will be getting in contrast. Avok sudden one like pettu veetuto paatu like pettu. So this is a soft silk Banaras saree. This is the butta and the border you will be getting on both the sides. Pallu adanta okate. Pallu you will be getting it in the sea green or the sea blue, you can term it as. This is the original color. So on this antique zari you will be getting it for the whole pallu. So this is how it looks. Black Banarasi soft silk saree. This is extremely rich and very soft and easy to carry. Are pallu design చూపిద్దాం. So this is okay sir అవ్వట్లేదు అద్దంలో బాగా కనిపిస్తుంది. So this is the saree with the pallu, extremely rich, you can see like this. Okay, with this we are ending this video number 1 for the party wear collection sarees. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot of the product and they can message me with their selection. Hope you have liked the sarees. All the sarees are very good in quality and the price range is also reasonable compared to any other place, you can check, and all are genuine products also. And yes, thank you so much for supporting so far. Take care, stay safe.